Gets down there pretty
It's
good.
real fast too. Is that a Hank Senior shirt you got on?
Yeah.
Say what?
What kind of shirt did you think it would be?
I don't know. What's the other guy's name?
Huh?
What's the other guy's name?
Take that damn duck loose. Come on. It's about time to go.
You should have seen it from up there, man. It looked like a FEMA camp.
FEMA camp?
Yeah, that's how I describe it as. It was like a bunch of metal buildings. A FEMA camp?
Yeah.
It's where, you know, like when a disaster happens or whatever, it's a bunch of buildings over there, man.
Oh, it's like a rescue
Right.
thing they set up.
Correct. Whoa! 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 Hey! Now I gotta edit that.
With your chance to win your share of $10,000 in cash. Start earning your points now and then be ready to win your share of $10,000 in cash on January 13th and the 27th. The winning doesn't stop there with Wednesday Windfall and Thursday nights with hot seats every 30 minutes. Then Friday Frenzy where more cash will be given away. Every day can be your day to win big money and pay off all Christmas bills.
Yeah.
Well, at least I'm not going live and recording this time. What do you think? Would you live out here?
Are you smacking on your recording too?
Yeah.